My dear viewers of Madani Channel, we should worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala abundantly in Ramadan and do every such act that earns us the pleasure of Allah Azza wa Jal and His beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. If anyone is not forgiven in this merciful month, when will he be forgiven? The beloved and blessed Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam would devote himself to worship as soon as Ramadan arrived. Sayyidatuna Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha has said, in Ramadan, the Prophet of Rahmah, the intercessor of Ummah, the owner of Jannah, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam would devote himself to the worship of Allah Azza wa Jal and did not use to come to his blessed bed the whole month. She radiyallahu ta'ala anha has further stated, in Ramadan, the color of the blessed face of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam would change. He sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam would offer salah abundantly and make dua in an extremely humble manner and remain overtaken by divine fear. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wa sallam.